Hello students and welcome to the Bihar Teachers History Makers, and today I am going to tell you about the next topic of the same chapter, plants, which we did yesterday. In our previous class I told you about the plants and why the plants are called producers. That was because the plants produce their foods by themselves. And yesterday in the previous class we studied about the leaf. What was the structure of leaf? And now we will see about how the leaves help in the production of food. So here we will see, this is a diagram of a plant. You can see the roots, the stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Now what is the role of leaf in the plants? That already I explained to you. The leaves help in preparation of food. How they prepare the food? The preparation of food in the leaves, that is called photosynthesis. Means the production of food in the plants, that is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. It means the leaves make their food in the presence of sunlight. Without sunlight they can't produce their food. So the leaves make the food in the presence of sunlight. So today we will learn about the term photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means putting together. Now let us see what happens in this process. In the process of photosynthesis, the roots of the plants, they absorb water and minerals from the soil. The roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. These water and minerals reaches to the leaves and other parts of the plant. See, these water and minerals reaches to the leaves through the stem and the branches. Now these leaves, there are green colored pigment. That pigment is called chlorophyll. This green color pigment is called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll gives green color to the leaves. The leaves look green because of this pigment, that is chlorophyll. Now what happens when the water and minerals reaches the leaves? The chlorophyll, which is already present in the leaf, this chlorophyll traps the sunlight. This chlorophyll traps the sunlight and then they starts producing the food, and then the production of food is started. One basic thing more is there, that is the carbon dioxide. This is also very essential for the preparation of food. As we breathe and we inhale oxygen, हम सांस अंदर लेते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेते हैं and we exhale carbon dioxide. But the plants, the leaves inhale carbon dioxide. CO2 means carbon dioxide. The plants take inside carbon dioxide and they breathe out or exhale oxygen. O2 means oxygen. So now when they take carbon dioxide, the chlorophyll traps the sunlight, water and minerals are absorbed and send it to the leaves. Now what happens? Now the food is prepared, and then oxygen gas is released. oxygen gas is released and water vapor is also released. Water vapor means Vasp. Okay. So here you can see carbon dioxide. This is the main formula of photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis. So when you will learn this, ultimately you can understand and you can explain to everyone what is photosynthesis. So when carbon dioxide plus water plus minerals, they come together in the presence of sunlight, the chlorophyll traps the sunlight. Then plant food is prepared and oxygen gas plus water vapor is released. So students, I hope this is the process of photosynthesis which is explained by me right now. So I hope all of you will learn these things, you will remember it and you will explain to another person.